If you do this, you welcome massive open doors. You welcome money into your life, success, breakthroughs, and prosperity. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. My name is Pamela. So in this channel, I share spiritual tips, messages, spiritual tips that will be a blessing to you, messages that will teach you the right prayer to pray for fast answer, and you having faith, believing that things like this will work for you, inviting the presence of God and believing that God will pass through this and be a blessing to you. You see things working perfectly, just like a magic. So if you love spiritual tips, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. Like the title says, this is going to welcome good things, like open doors, anything you desire, any good thing you desire, mainly money, protection, favor will locate you. So that reminds me, anytime I make videos like this, like opening doors, anything that will invite money for you, prosperity, I've gotten like a comment or two, someone telling me that I don't look rich, I don't even have money, and I'm making this kind of videos. So I want to ask, how do you rate someone that is rich or someone that is poor? Is it by how the person dresses, or the person must show off? I don't know. So I want to let you know that if you understand spirituality, you don't need to brag. Okay, you have to, maintain a certain level. You have to humble yourself so that God will exalt you. You see some poor people or average people, they don't have, but the way they dress, they spend more than they can earn. They spend more than they have. They can even go out to borrow money just to look good, just to acquire wealth, just to buy car, do this, show off as if they have. Or within themselves, they are dying silently. I've gotten so many messages like that, people telling me that they are owing lots of money, like so much money. They don't know what to do. They feel like killing themselves. All those things can even bring heart attack. You don't have, but you want to meet up, you want to meet above your earning. So that one is a different case. So I want to let you know that some people that don't even have, they go to any extent to show off. So if you expect me to be showing off, like maybe whether I have or not, okay, you expect me to be showing off, I cannot do it. I'm here to pass messages to people. I'm here to help you spiritually with the presence of God. You doing things yourself with your faith, it will work for you. I also want to tell you that some spiritual work may not work for me, but it may work for you, and that is why it's spiritual. That is because I'm not the one that created those things. It's God that created them. Every spirit are not the same. My spirit may not go well with the spiritual work I want to do, or your own may go well with it, and it may work faster for you or work very well for you, and it may not work for you. So you have to understand all this. I'm not here to show you like magic. This is not magic. This is spiritual. So remove that mindset of looking at me and rating to know whether I have or not. Okay, if I have, I don't need to show it. If I don't have, I don't still have to show it. Humbleness is what matters. So welcome open doors into your house, into your home, to manifest success, to bring increase, to bring success, to bring money, to bring all manner of prosperity. You have to do this, and you doing it rightly, follow the instructions with your faith, inviting the presence of God, it must surely work for you. So that local broom that like you can see it on the screen, that broom is highly spiritual. Okay, some people use it for evil purpose, while some people use it for good purpose. Okay, there are some items that only bring good things. So but this particular one, this broom, this local broom, it brings two things depending on how you want to use it. But I always tell people to use things in good way. Do not use it to hurt anybody. So I'm here to talk about the good side of broom, using it for your spiritual work. If you want to use it spiritually, it brings good things into the home. It manifests good things. Using it to sweep your house, okay, is going to welcome good things, removing evil from your house. Any negativity, it gets rid of it. Like it's a way of cleansing as well. Cleansing your home. Like I've also shared a video how to cleanse your new home, how to also cleanse your home once in a while to bring good things, to get rid of anything negativity. Because some people may visit you in your home and leave negative energies, negative spirits. And when they leave, you see that things will just change automatically. Things will be going wrongly in that home. And also you may go out and attract bad things into the home. Yes, negative energies and positive energies are in this world. So cleansing your home once in a while will help to bring in good things, removing those negative energies and welcome positive energies in that home, so that you go forward, so that you succeed in life, so that any good thing that you desire will locate you or locate any members of that family. You have to also get salt, sea salt. However, you can make use of any salt. Some videos I will say do not make use of ordinary salt, but this particular one you can make use of ordinary salt. Here is sea salt, but why I prefer sea salt is because it's highly spiritual, more spiritual. Like if ordinary salt is supposed to be 70%, this is like 90% or 100%. Okay, all right, so try to get sea salt, but if you cannot get sea salt, you can make use of ordinary salt. So salt is cleansing, it purifies, it removes anything evil from your home, it gets rid of anything like sham, curses. There's how to make use of it, adding it into your bath water. Use it to have your bath. It neutralizes evil out of your house, out of yourself. It gets rid of anything negative energies, so that things will prosper in your life, welcoming healing, welcoming good things, success, opening doors. So use it this way. Use it to sweep your home, to bring good things. As you're sweeping your home, okay, you have to be praying and saying that thing you desire, so that it will come into your life. You can also use this to attract any good thing, depending on your prayer points. For example, you can use it for healing. So as you're using it to sweep your home, you have to be praying for healing, okay, for God to remove sickness, to remove all evil, to welcome good things. So I'm going to tell you how to use it rightly. Get your salt and also get broom, local broom. Make sure you get a new broom for this purpose. Use a new broom. So this is once in a while anyway, so you don't need to use your regular broom. Use a new broom. So night before that morning, okay, you have to do this in the evening or night before the next day. You have to get your salt, transfer it at the corners of each of your room, each of your corners of the house. In your living room, make sure it's at the corner, not in the middle, like 4 corners or just on the wall side. Just be adding it little by little. Be praying. If you desire for healing, pray for healing. Be adding that salt everywhere at the corners. Inside the house only, not outside. So when you are done, then you have to pray. Tell God that God should make this to be effective. God should cleanse out any evil anyone has placed in that home, or anyone that you must have placed due to your words, or due to your attitude, or due to you bringing evil into the home, knowingly or unknowingly. That God should get rid of all these problems and welcome good things in your home. After praying, pray normally, then you have to go to bed. The next morning, okay, you have to use that local broom to sweep out all those salts, sweeping them out from the corners of the house. As you are sweeping, you'll be telling God that you are sweeping out all manner of failure, sickness, affliction, any problem in that home, that you are sweeping it out. By the grace of God, it should not come back into this home. Okay, be praying that God should remove it. With your faith, even if your faith is little like this, you can do all things. It will work very well. So be sweeping it out with that new broom. Be praying and be sweeping it out. When you are done, just gather everything, then transfer it into the refuse dump. Just throw it into the refuse. Okay? Do not allow it to be in that house. Remember, you have to pray with that salt. Place it at the corners of the house at night or in the evening. The next morning, you sweep it out. Make sure you are going to be available in the morning to sweep it out. Either you or anybody, any part of the family, not outside. Make sure it's you or anybody in that house that will sweep it out, and make sure it's done properly. Okay, like what I mean is, whether you are the one that will handle that broom to use it to sweep or not, make sure the person did it properly. So when you are done, pack it and throw it away into the refuse dump. Okay, so by the grace of God, this is going to bring good things for you. Do not make use of that broom again. Just throw it away. Do not use it again. So this is because you have used it to remove all negative powers, all negative energies from that home. So that broom is like a cursed broom. do not make use of it again. So if it's like something that will bring good things, you are using it to sweep to bring good things in that home, in that house, you can make use of that broom. But this particular one is sweeping out all problems, for God to open doors for you, to bring success into your home. So after sweeping it out, just mix water and sugar. Like, get water in a bowl, then add some sugar or honey. If you don't have sugar, make use of honey. Mix it in the water, sprinkle it around the home, telling God that you are inviting good things, you are inviting money, you are inviting success, blessings, increase, success, healing, any good thing you desire. Be inviting God, telling God that you welcome all these good things into your home, that God should flourish that home, God should bring peace, any good thing. Just say your heart desire. Say your prayer point is also very important. Before doing anything, make sure you have a prayer point. Remember, the first one is to cleanse out evil, and the second one of using sugar is to welcome good things, any good thing you desire to come into your life. By the grace of God, it's going to work perfectly for you. So this particular one is once in a while. Like, you can do it once in 2 weeks, you can do it once in a month, okay, for good things to locate you, for God to open doors for you and make you have success, great success. That money you desire will come to you. God will bless the work of your hands to make more money to locate you in your life. So try this, and by the grace of God, God will bless you richly. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Share this video to everyone. Remain blessed as always. I'll see you in my next video.